Because it's not the same thing as just flipping a coin and saying heads or tails, right? You're thinking about your guess. It may be right, it may not. That's what makes it a guess. But you're thinking about it, right? Yeah.
Another word for it, like estimator.
Like an estimation. That's a really good one. Yeah.
A really long word.
It is a very long word. Hypothesis. Can we say hypothesis?
Hypothesis.
Now say it 3 times fast. Hypothesis, hypothesis, hypothesis. Very good. Very good. So you guys are going to create a hypothesis for me. You're going to create a guess or a prediction. Whether if more water will make the rocket pop off higher, or if less water will make the rocket pop off higher. So take a second. Take a second to think about it. Take a second to think about it. Raise your hand for more water. If more water will make it go up higher. Does anybody want to explain their guess, their prediction, their hypothesis? Who wants to explain why they think that? All the way in the back, dinosaur shirt that I love so much. Yes. Yeah.
Alligators.
Oh, it's alligators. They're a dinosaur. Yeah. Oh, they're lizards. That's an even cooler shirt. You think more water? Yeah. Does anybody want to explain why they think more water? Back over there. Yeah. Very good. Anybody else want to explain why more water they think would work well? Yeah.
The more water you add to the canisters, the less room for the gas to
I think
go in. So it will take less time and it will
Okay. Who thinks less water? Ooh, a lot of friends for less water too. Does anybody want to explain why they think less water? Who wants to explain? Yes, right there. Yeah.
I think if there's less water, the water like carbon dioxide and water
Very good hypothesis. Yeah, do some of us agree with that maybe? Yeah? Anybody else want to explain why maybe less water? Yeah. Really good hypotheses, friends. When we have more than one hypothesis, we say hypotheses because hypothesis is kind of a silly word. So we say hypotheses. So let's test these out. We're going to do, here we go.
Oh no.
We're going to do more water first. So this one's filled up. Originally, the first one was about halfway. This one's about 3/4 of the way. So we are going to throw in Alka-Seltzer, cap it up, shake it up. We're going to put them right there.
Stare at it. I think less.
And now we just got to stare. And we got to wait.
I now think less.
We got to see. I know. It's taking a little bit longer. So maybe... That was a little small, right? A little small.
I knew
So let's just try less water. Let's see what happens.
Less water.
So I'm going to dump some of this out.
You saw it. And then I put some more. That's why.
That's about good. Maybe a little bit more than that. Let's see. We wanted a little bit less than halfway because we did a little bit more than halfway that time.
What happened?
That should be good.
Okay, that's good.
And now I'm going to get another half of my Alka-Seltzer. Get my cap ready. Break this guy. Go like that. We are going to cap him up. We're going to shake him. Whoop! He exploded in my hand. That's how fast he exploded. Did we see that? Let's try it one more time. I know, exploded in my hand.
That's how fast it is. Now do it really fast.
Let's try again.
Don't shake it.
I know, I'm not going to shake it this time. Ready? Like that. Cap. We're going to put him right there. Okay, and now we wait. I always think it's like, have you guys ever seen those toys that you crank up? Exactly. Thank you. So yeah, so did it end up going higher with less water or more water? Less water, right? So I wish we could do it again, but I have so much other fun stuff to do with you guys. So less water ended up working.
1 liter of water and then do like 10 Alka-Seltzer.
10 Alka-Seltzers. Ooh, maybe we can try that at the end, like super little. But the thing is, if Alka-Seltzer doesn't have enough water to dissolve it, it's just gonna stay in its puck, right? So that kind of brings me to the point that I want to do. A lot of friends always think like, oh, if we do 15 Alka-Seltzers, it's gonna make it even cooler. But science is all about formulas, and it's all about having the right amount of things. And when it came to our little baby rockets, when we have more space for that carbon dioxide to make those bubbles, the farther it popped up. Kind of makes sense?